Hi everyone, this is Professor Rodrigo Barbosa, and today we're going to solve an official problem from the AMC 12A 2024, one of the most prestigious math competitions in the United States. Performing well in the AMC is highly valued by top universities like MIT, Harvard, Princeton, and Caltech. So, let's see the question. A cyclic quadrilateral has side lengths AB equals 7, BC equals 8, CD equals 9, and DA equals 10. What's the length of the shorter diagonal? So I will put these diagonals over here. That's the bigger and the shorter. And I will call the shorter A and the bigger B. So we don't have to put A, B, C, D. Just the sides, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I saw one video with 13 properties to solve that. That's not really necessary. I will solve this with 2 only properties. So if you are seeing my video, you can let your like, you can subscribe on my channel, and let your comment. So I promise my English will be better on next time. Let's go. So the first property says that A squared plus B squared is equal 7 squared plus 8 squared plus 9 squared plus 10 squared. That's equal 49 more 64 more 81 more 100. That's equal 294. So put that on here. A squared more B squared is equal 294. That's the first equation, right? 294. So the second property says that A times B is equal 7 times 9 plus 8 times 10. It's equal 63 plus 18. And finally, we have 143. So now for the first equation here, in the corner, we can make that A plus B squared, it's equal A squared plus 2 times A times B plus B squared. So now we have a situation. A squared plus B squared is 294. So A squared, B squared, 294. Plus 2 times A times B. A times B from the second equation, it's equal 143. So now we have A plus B squared, it's equal 508. And finally, A plus B, it's equal square root of 108. That's equal 24. 0.083. So now we have a simple system with two equations. One equation that's A plus B, it's equal 24.083, and A times B, it's equal 143. So in that equation, I can make that B, it's equal 143 divided by A. So we can replace this value on this value, and now we have A plus B 143 divided by A, it's equal 24.083. So we can multiply everyone by A, and the equation is A squared plus 143, it's equal 24.083A. And finally, A squared minus 24.083A plus 143, it's equal 0. So that's one video on my channel. We can solve that by Bhaskara. You can see that video. And we find two solutions. One solution, it's 10.63, and the other solution, it's equal 13.46. Anyway, the shorter diagonal, or the A, have a value of 10.63. So that's it. Thank you for seeing my video, and in the next time, my English will be better. So I see you soon. Thank you.